In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to solve vertical opposite angle. Okay, so let's assume we have something like this. And we have, let's say that this is A and this is 20. What is the value of A? The value of A is also is equal to what? Is 20 what? Degrees. Okay, what does it mean? Because vertical opposite angles are what? Are equal. Okay, that is the basic concept of vertical angle, that the vertical opposite angle, they are what? They are equal to each other. So let's assume that this is one is B and this one is C. It means that this B is equal to what? C. Okay, so basically that's what it means, that anything you can see here is equal to this one, and anything you can see here is equal to this one, or anything you can see here is also equal to what? This particular angle here. That's the basic concept of what? Vertical opposite angle. So let me dive into the practical aspect of what? Of vertical opposite angle. So let's assume we have something like this. Let me explain this one. Okay, because we have, let's assume we have something like this. Let's say this is this 20, and let's say this one is, let me draw another line here. Let me put it as C, and let's put this one as 30. Is 20 vertical opposite to this? No. Why? Because a line is already drawn from this side to this side. Okay, so whenever you see a line that is drawn from the center to this particular side, it's not vertically opposite angle. So never say 20 is equal to C plus what? Plus 30. No. Why? Because it's not vertical opposite angle. In vertical opposite angle, no line must be divided, no line must divide the angles together. Okay, you only want one line, one angle at the opposite side, and the one angle at the other side. Okay, the particular angle cannot be equal to what? Two or more angles in vertical opposite angle. So let's dive into the practical aspect of vertical opposite angle. What of, let me clean this one first. So what of if you have something like this? Let's dive into the question number one. What if you have something like this and you have 1 1 2, and you have y plus 20? Okay, y plus 20 degrees. How do you solve this one? How do you solve this type of question? Because you know that vertical opposite angles are what? Are equal, isn't it? This one is equal to what? This. So you can say y plus 20 is equal to what? 100 and what? 20, 112 degrees, isn't it? So definitely you can leave an answer like this. So this is plus, plus to the other side is going to be minus. So since I'm writing y is equal to 112 minus what? 20 degrees. So 112 minus 20. Let's see what we're going to have. This one, yes, this one is 92. So our final answer here is what? 92 degrees. Okay. So what if you have something like this? Let's dive into the question number two. What if you have something like this? Definitely is going to be of this shape. This is 102, and this is 2b degrees. This is A and this is C. So if you are told to find the unknown letters in this shape, how are you going to solve it? Using vertical opposite angle. This is how to solve it. You know that this 2b is equal to 100 and what? 120, 102 degrees. Why? Because vertical opposite angles are what? Are equal. Please always state it. Always state the reason why it's like this. So you have to, in your practical question, just put question bracket. You open it and it's right. Vertical opposite vertical opposite angles are what? Are equal. That is why you have that this one is equal to what? This. So if you have something like this, what are you going to do? You have to divide both sides by what? By 2, because 2 is attached to b. So ain't it? So you say 2 divided by so 2b divided by 2 and 102 divided by 2. If you are dividing them, you're going to have 102, 2 divided by 102. Let's see what we're going to have. This is 5, this is 10. Yes, yes. Okay, so our answer here is what? In 51 degrees. Okay, so the unknown value of this b is what? Is 51 degrees. So let's dive into the second side. In the second side, we know that this c is equal to what? A. Why? Vertical opposite angles are what? Are equal. So this c is equal to what? A degrees. These are the easier way in which you can solve vertical opposite angle. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the notification. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So for more informative content, don't forget to like and share my channel, James Maths Academy. Until I see you next time, thank you.